Let's go ahead and review Contentpace. It lets you boost organic SEO traffic in minutes with an AI-powered content optimizer. Get 10% off AppSumo lifetime deal in every deal. Details in description below. Padding your workflow with random SEO tools doesn't mean that your content is ranking high on the SERPs. The truth hurts my wallet, in particular. Not only is it expensive to pay for different tools to research, outline, and audit your performance, but you're also wasting time learning how to integrate everything. What if you had every tool you needed to speedrun SEO and claim top search positions on one single dashboard? Welcome to Contentpace. Contentpace is the AI-powered content workspace that automates hours of topic research and content outlining, while optimizing for SEO. Contentpace is powered by cutting-edge AI that optimizes your content for search engines, so you can outrank your competitors in Snap. With one keyword, you can pull the top 50 search results in seconds and see word count, readability score, and outbound URLs. Review top-to-bottom outlines of competitor articles and identify new opportunities to throw them off their SEO game. Contentpace also extracts relevant natural language processing (NLP) phrases, which means your writers can deliver content that's topical and highly searchable. Using the drag-and-drop builder, you can organize competitor headlines into content briefs for your writers. Even better, Contentpace will automatically edit for length, image count, and relevant phrases, so you don't have to rewrite anything. And because anyone can access the content brief, this tool reduces friction for agencies and in-house teams working with contractors. Fill topic gaps and optimize your drafts using AI-powered suggestions, like readability score, keyword count, and total word count. Contentpace will also analyze your article and generate an overall score, so you know when it's time to hit publish. And thanks to their multi-language support, you can easily write localized SEO content for regional audiences. In minutes, you can pull the top 50 organic search results and generate content metrics to improve your live content. Their NLP algorithm analyzes hundreds of parameters, keywords, and phrases to give actionable tips. You'll also be able to download the audit results in a PDF report, which is perfect for SEO specialists pitching their services. Optimizing your SEO content should be easier than sticking to your New Year's resolutions. I'm still in the mental preparation process of putting on those running shoes. With Contentpace, you've got all the tools for SEO research, content outlining, and real-time optimization in one workspace. Rank with the best of them. Get lifetime access to Contentpace today.